Hey curl friends, welcome back to another episode of Wash and Go Wednesday. Today's Wash and Go came out so bomb that it might just be the best one yet. I know I probably say that every Wednesday, but these products truly checked all the Wash and Go boxes. We have soft hydrated curls, definition, and volume, so if you guys want to see today's product combination, then make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. First things first, we're going to re-wet the hair a little bit. I'm planning on using a super thick gel today, so I want my hair to be as wet and hydrated as possible. The first product I'm going in with today is the Amika Curl Corpse Defining Cream. This is my first time using this cream and I was not disappointed. Not only do Amika products smell absolutely incredible, but this cream was instantly hydrating. It had a ton of slip and it did an amazing job at clumping the curls together. A little bit goes a long way with this cream, so I'm just taking a small amount and raking it through my curls. Next, I'm going in with my Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler. This is probably one of my favorite brushes for styling. I'm just very lightly brushing this through my hair. I don't want too much clumping today, so that's why I'm chasing it with my fingers, just to help separate the curls and create smaller curl clusters. Remember, when using a brush to style the hair, make sure to comb up and out so you're not flattening at the roots. Now to set my curls, I'm using a very small amount of the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Shine and Hold Control Glue. This gel is extremely thick, so I'm making sure to water it down and thin it out so it's easier to apply and doesn't leave any sticky residue. This is a maximum hold gel that can be used on wet or dry hair, and this has been one of my favorites for quite some time. It's a drugstore product, very inexpensive, and it always gives me the strong hold that I'm looking for, and these two products together definitely mixed well and complemented each other perfectly. So now that all the product is applied, I'm going to go ahead and air dry today. My hair had a very silky texture to it, there was no frizz forming, and by the looks and feel of it, I could already tell this was going to be a very good wash day. Alright guys, so here we are the very next day. This was my hair straight out of the bonnet. I haven't done any fluffing or separating of the curls yet. So today I'm going to be using my favorite oil, as you guys know. This is the Ouidad Mongongo Oil, and I'm just using a couple sprays of this to help separate the curls and reduce frizz. Now I'm just doing some fluffing at the roots to create more volume, and here we have our final wash day results. To be honest, these two products together definitely surprised me and gave me one of my best wash and goes I've had in quite some time. As you can see, my hair is extremely happy. It's defined, shiny, has volume, no frizz, and seriously looks and feels so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick wash and go routine and this new combination for this week's Wash and Go Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.